welcome back to my channel SK Car Updates. Yo, petrol heads, buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the untamed fury that is the 2024 McLaren 750S. This isn't just a supercar, it's a primal force unleashed, a 740 horsepower symphony of speed and adrenaline. Forget hybrids, forget electric nannies. The 750S is a throwback to the golden age of raw, unadulterated performance. Its monstrous twin-turbocharged V8 pulsates with 590 pounds-feet of torque, ripping you from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. This isn't just acceleration, it's a brutal, gut-punching rocket launch that pins you to your seat and leaves your eardrums begging for mercy. But it's not just about straight-line savagery. The 750S dances through corners like a ballerina on nitro. Its lightweight agility, honed suspension, and razor-sharp steering car through hairpin bends with surgical precision. You're not just driving, you're melding with the machine, becoming one with the apex. Forget boring interiors. The 750S cockpit is a fighter jet's cockpit for the road. Alcantara wraps around you like a second skin, while the digital dash explodes with vital information. Every button, every switch begs to be touched, urging you to push the limits further. And then there's the sound. The guttural roar of the V8 echoes off canyon walls, a primal symphony that sets your soul on fire. But the 750S isn't just about raw power, it's a statement. It's a middle finger to the mundane, a testament to the human desire to defy physics and chase the horizon. It's a machine that turns every drive into an event, an adrenaline rush etched into your memory forever. Are you ready to unleash the beast within? The 2024 McLaren 750S awaits, a canvas for your driving dreams. Take the wheel, feel the fury, and redefine what it means to drive. The 750S accelerating through a tunnel, headlights piercing the darkness. The roar of the engine fades as the screen goes black. Text appears. McLaren 750S, uncage the beast. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments below, would you dare to tame the 2024 McLaren 750S?